Hey guys, welcome to this Netflix guide, and here I'll detail how to switch Netflix profile on your account. So if you're using a Netflix either on your mobile phone or PC, or you're using Netflix on your TV or web browser, then you can easily switch between profiles on their Netflix account, whether you set up a kids Netflix profile or cartoon Netflix profile. Now you want to change to grown up Netflix account profile, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to switch profiles on Netflix or switch Netflix profile, all you just need to just go ahead and open the Netflix application on your device. Then once you're on your Netflix page, just like this, click on My Netflix at the bottom right. Now click on drop menu beneath the current profile here, and then select profile under switch profiles. So select the profile you want to switch to. Once you selected it, hang on. Then you should see your Netflix account switch to this profile. If you want to switch again to another profile, just click on My Netflix at the bottom right. Then click on this drop menu. Then again, under switch profiles, click on switch profiles. So that is basically how to switch profiles in Netflix. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.